Hello, my name is Dr. Ruqaya Aad Al Kaisi. I'm from Emirates Hospital Clinics, Sharjah branch. If you take good care of your teeth at home, you maybe wonder why my dentist says we need dental prophylaxis appointments. The answer is many of dental problems may go unnoticed in their early stages. You will not feel pain or have any visible signs. So dental prophylaxis appointment will help your doctor to diagnose the problem and treat problems in the early situation. For example, it's common to not feel pain if you have cavity when it's first formed. When you go for dental prophylaxis appointment, will allow your doctor to see this cavity and treat this problem without going to be more severe. The other question, how frequently do I have to do the dental prophylaxis appointment? The frequency of attending the dental office depends on the patient's situation. Some patient, if he is normal and doesn't have any problem like systemic issues or any immunity problem, or he doesn't have any high risk of caries, so we advise him to go for the dental prophylaxis appointment twice a year. While other patients who they are under risk, like they have very high index of dental caries or they have any systemic problems, they are smokers, pregnant, or even they have immunity problem, so we advise them to go like at least 3 or 4 times a year. Dental prophylaxis include oral examination, x-ray, periodontal probing, and teeth cleaning.